just soldered in my joints. Yeah, soldered it in with this stuff here, Staybrite 8, designed to be used on HVAC. Joining my line set to my outdoor and my indoor. Just a little bit of MAP gas. Doesn't produce enough heat to give you all of your cupric oxide that you get from your acetylene stuff. Been using it all summer. Great bond, holds excellent pressure, no problems. I'm gonna roll with this stuff as much as I possibly can. All you need is perfect joints. If there are big gaps, you're gonna have to go with your Stay True or your Go True braze. But if you don't have any gaps, then this stuff is perfect. Real quick, real clean. No flowing of nitrogen. Perfect.